Hi friends, let me show you these Neporal rechargeable light bulbs that I received for reviewing purposes. You get 4 light bulbs, okay? They work as a regular light bulb. You can screw them in the light fixture, okay? But these ones are rechargeable. So if the energy goes out, they will stay on, okay? Look at this. You could even use them as a lamp in your house or in your office if for any reason the light goes out and you need to search for something. You just have to take them by the base and they will turn on just with your fingers, okay? So you can go look for something that you need, and that's great. Also, if the light goes off for a longer period, you get 4 of these hanging accessories, okay? You just have to screw them here. It has an on-off switch here, okay? So you can hang these wherever you want and have a light bulb turn on in your house even when the electricity is gone, okay? So I think it's, and when electricity is on, you use them as a regular light bulb and they will stay recharged, okay? So whenever you really need them, you just put them in this hanging base and you have lights in your home or in your office even when the light goes off, okay? So the energy goes off. So I think it's great. You can have a set of these and be prepared whenever the light goes off, okay? Perfect. Thank you.